Hello, my name is Suhas GT. I joined Jspiders during my last semester of my college. During that, I joined as a incubation student here. The Jspiders Basavanagudi has given me everything like in terms of programming skills and also in soft skills. I'm the student with minimal knowledge in coding. During my college period, I struggled hard to learn coding and all those stuffs. When I came here, I got to know about actual coding and also got interest in Java. So I took Java full stack course in Jspiders Basavanagudi. The trainers are very talented here and they guide me in every step to enhance my skills. And also HR also very helpful here to attend my interviews. That's all. Thank you.